See the next question, which says 20 ml of N by 10 NaOH solution neutralizes 10 ml of HCl solution. 25 ml NaOH neutralizes 20 ml of the same acid, Calculate the normality and strength in grams per liter. So first statement, 20 ml N by 10 neutralizes 10 ml HCl. So I've written 20 ml N by 10 NaOH neutralizes 10 ml HCl. If I use this formula N1 V1 is equal to N2 V2, I have N1 here, V1 here, but on this side I don't have normality, I just have volume. So I'll find out the normality by this formula. And on calculation, N2 value is coming as 0.2. So I know that there is 0.2 normal solution of HCl. So now I'm using the same statement in the second one. 25 ml NaOH, 25 ml NaOH is equivalent to 20 ml of the same acid, 20 ml of 0.2 NHCl. So I'm finding the normality now of NaOH on the other side. So again I'm using the same formula, N1 V1 is equal to N2 V2. Now on this side I know normality and volume, but on this side only volume, no normality. So N1 has been calculated, 0.16 normal solution of NaOH, because on this side was NaOH, on this side was HCl. Next formula is strength is equal to normality into equivalent weight. I now know normality of NaOH. Equivalent weight of NaOH is 40, because if I find molecular weight of this divided by 1, because valency is 1, I get 40. So 6.4 grams per liter is the strength of NaOH solution. See another question which says 20 ml of 4.0 grams per liter NaOH neutralizes 15 ml of H2SO4. Calculate the strength of sulfuric acid. Now if I write 20 ml 4.0 grams per liter NaOH equivalent to 15 ml H2SO4. I don't have normality on both the sides, but I have strength here. So I know the formula that strength is equal to normality into equivalent weight. So strength is 4 grams per liter given. Normality I need to find out, and equivalent weight of NaOH is 40. So I'm substituting that to find out normality on the left hand side. So 4.0 upon 40, 0.1. So now I know normality of NaOH is 0.1. So I'm substituting now NaOH on this side, sulfuric acid here. So N1 V1 is equal to N2 V2. So 0.1 into 20, which was 20 ml given here, is equal to N2, which I'm finding, into 15 ml of H2SO4. So now I get normality, which is 0.133 normal solution for sulfuric acid. I found out on this side, N2. So sulfuric acid has been found. Now strength is equal to, again, normality into equivalent weight. I know normality, I know equivalent weight of sulfuric acid is 49. So multiplying by this, I know now strength of H2SO4 calculated is 6.53 grams per liter. See another question which says 6.9 gram of metallic carbonate was mixed with 60 ml 2NHCl. Normality is 2. Excess acid was neutralized by 20 ml normal NaOH, 1 normal. That means normality is 1. Calculate equivalent weight of metal carbonate. I'll first make a format like this. 6.9 gram of metal carbonate was mixed with 60 ml 2NHCl and also was neutralized by 20 ml NaOH. First make a format till here. Now multiply the above two. 60 into 2 is 120 ml of 1 normal. When you multiply them, this normality becomes 1. So 1 normal. This is already 1. So 20 into 1 becomes 20 ml and NaOH. So HCl is more and NaOH is less in quantity. 120, 20. So I'll say excess acid is 120 minus 20, which is 100 ml. So now when you have excess acid, then write down the formula. W is equal to NEV by 1000. W given to you in the question was 6.9. So write down here 6.9. Then normality after multiplying has become one normal solution, both of them. So I've written normality is 1. Equivalent weight I want to find out. Volume, this volume we are going to use, excess acid volume, is 100 upon 1000. So equivalent weight is coming as 69.